Everyone's hyped about the next Apple TV 4K becoming the brain of your living room. But is it actually worth waiting for? Or is Apple just turning a simple streamer into another expensive AI upgrade? Forget the hype and the panic. Let's focus on what really matters before you buy the current model. Wait for the next one, or sell what you already own. The 2022 Apple TV 4K with its A15 chip is still fast and clean. It handles Netflix, YouTube, Apple TV+, Plex, and casual gaming without feeling slow. Most people aren't complaining, but by Apple's standards, it's now old hardware. Apple's bigger plan is to move the Apple TV from streaming box to home intelligence hub. Local AI, a much smarter Siri, faster wireless, and deeper smart home control. Once that happens, the question changes from, can it play 4K? To will this still matter in 3 years? That shift makes the current price uncomfortable. You're paying premium money for a 3.5-year-old box right before a rumored refresh. A strong discount can make sense. Full retail right now, only if you genuinely need it today. Apple doesn't need to make the old model look bad. They just need the new one to unlock 1 or 2 features that make waiting feel like the smarter choice. The biggest rumor is Apple Intelligence. Apple hasn't officially confirmed it for the TV yet, but an A17 Pro class chip would bring on device AI. For most people, the real upgrade won't be flashy image generation. It will be Siri finally becoming useful, natural movie searches, better HomeKit understanding, and smoother control of lights, cameras, and scenes. The promise is simple: a TV and smart home that feel less dumb. The catch is timing. A faster chip only helps if the new Siri experience is actually ready. Apple won't want to launch powerful hardware that still feels limited in daily use. Storage is another quiet pressure point. The current 64 GB base model works fine for streaming. But local AI models, more apps, and games could make that base tier feel tight. Apple may raise storage across the board, which gives them an easy reason to keep prices higher. Ignore the external power brick rumor for now. It would hurt clean setups and isn't confirmed.
The networking upgrade could be one of the most meaningful changes. The next model is rumored to get Apple's N1 wireless chip with Wi-Fi 7, better Bluetooth, and stronger Thread support. For basic streaming, this may not feel dramatic, but for smart home users, Plex fans, and busy households, the gains in AirPlay stability and smart home communication could be significant. The downside is real too. Deeper Apple integration may gradually make non-Matter or older accessories feel like the weak link. A refreshed remote with ultra-wideband precision finding would be genuinely useful. No more losing the Siri remote in the couch. Just know that replacement cost will likely stay high. Gaming gets a solid boost with the faster chip. It should handle Apple Arcade, family party games, and casual controller titles much better. Still, this remains an entertainment box first, not a console or work machine replacement. Faster internals also mean more heat. Give the box proper ventilation, especially in cabinets. Ethernet stays the most reliable choice for serious smart home or high bitrate use. Should you sell your current Apple TV? No need to panic. It will keep streaming beautifully for years. Resale value will probably drop once the new model arrives with exclusive features. So if you barely use yours and can wait, selling early can protect some money. If it's your daily driver or the center of your smart home, don't downgrade your experience just to chase resale value. Here's the practical advice. Skip the current model at full price unless you need one right now. Wait for the next version if smarter Siri AI features, better networking, or future-proofing matter to you. Only consider the current Apple TV if you find it at a strong discount and your needs are basic streaming. Ignore wild claims until Apple actually announces. The next Apple TV could be one of Apple's most important living room updates in years. Not because we need more power for Netflix, but because it might finally become the local brain for entertainment, smart home control, Siri, and casual gaming. That's exciting. It also risks turning a simple streaming box into a noticeably more expensive ecosystem decision. The real question isn't whether the next model will be powerful, it's whether those new intelligence features will be useful enough in your living room to justify a higher price. For casual streamers, the answer is probably no. For people deep in the Apple ecosystem who want the cleanest experience, it might be yes. Right now, the smartest move is patience. Wait for the official announcement. Watch the base price, the storage tiers, and exactly what ships with Apple Intelligence, and what gets locked behind the higher model. Because with Apple, the real cost is rarely just the chip. It's everything built around it.